Hello, today we're at Althorp.
Yes, Althorp is the ancestral home of the Spencer family in Northamptonshire.
Althorp House in Northamptonshire is an historic English estate that has been home to the Spencer family for more than 500 years.
The house contains a fascinating variety of pictures, furniture, ceramics and fine interiors.
The Spencers were sheep farmers in pre-Tudor times, coming to prominence in the 15th century.
The original 1508 red brick manor house played host to Tudor and Stuart royalty, including King Charles I.
It has been extensively rebuilt in the 17th and 18th centuries.
It is also the childhood home of the late Diana, Princess of Wales, who moved here in 1975 when her father became the 8th Earl Spencer.
In 1997, her brother Charles, the 9th Earl Spencer, laid her to rest on a private island on the estate's lake.
The lake is a beautifully tranquil part of the estate, where you can pay your respects at the Lakeside Memorial during the summer opening season.
The main manor house has over 90 rooms with gilded cornicing, pelmet curtains and 4-poster canopy beds.
The property also features a portrait hall with gallery walls of gilt-framed paintings and stunning rooms at every turn.
The grand home also has impressive state dining rooms, several sitting rooms and sweeping staircases.
Many members of the royal family have stayed in the house. The Queen Mary bedroom hosted King George V and his wife in 1913.
While the Princess of Wales bedroom was named after Queen Alexander, who stayed there in 1863.
The house is very much a home, and as you walk around you are struck by the beauty and scale of the surroundings.
However, you leave with the feeling that this is very much a family home, albeit on a grand scale, and we would absolutely recommend a visit.